Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to stop your shower head falling down like this and being all floppy. So if your shower head is doing this and it can't stay up straight or in the position you want, this is the easy fix for you. This will work on 90% of the showers, but it might not do everyone's. This is probably more for the cheaper, budget friendly. If things are quite plasticky, then it will work quite well for you. But this one is a Mara mode. Any brand of shower, it should work. You might even have a universal mounting system and riser rail. So on this one, it comes with this little cover plate that you can unscrew and just readjust the pin inside so that it stops the wobble. As you can see, it just completely come out. So that pin just pushes through like so. But if you do need to get it off, you can remove this pin and slide the actual riser part off. But for now, we're just going to do that up tight and back on to the shower arm. So first of all, what you want to do is normally you have a button or a lever on the opposite side. So as you can see, it's just spinning freely. So you want to press that button in and spin the whole thing so it faces towards you, so you can see inside here. As you can see, there is a type of screw. You need to know which type of screw it is. It might be a Phillips, it might be a flathead, might be a star bit like this. So this one is a T25 bit. So you need to look at the side, and as you can see, it says T25. There's lots of different sizes corresponding to the numbers. So you want to get that on a long screwdriver, or like me, on a socket set, and you want to find out which way the screw turns. Might be clockwise, might be anti-clockwise. With this one, it was lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're going to loosen it off a bit, and then we're going to then go in forwards, just so everything lines up on the threads and also mounts back square onto the plastic arm. Don't go too tight, because one, you won't move it, and two, you might crack the plastic. Just until it's nice and stiff and you can adjust it as you like. Once you've done this, you can then grab your long shower arm and put it back on your holder for a nice, firm, secure fixing. And that is how you secure one of these fixing arms back for your shower. I hope this video has helped. Please like and subscribe for the channel for plenty more plumbing content. And if it has helped you, then please do say so in the comments. I hope you have a good day. See you around soon.